revolutionizing industries. The Tata Technologies story. Welcome to the world of Tata Technologies, the global engineering solutions pioneer. We are transforming industries, one innovation at a time. Since 1989, we've been at the forefront of engineering excellence. Our journey spans over 3 decades of relentless innovation and progress. Product development, manufacturing, IT services, we do it all. Our diverse service portfolio is tailored to cater to the unique needs of several industries. We are more than just a company. We are a network of thinkers, innovators, and dreamers committed to shaping the future of technology. Revolutionizing industries isn't easy. But with determination, expertise, and passion, we continue to steer the course of technological advancements. Come, join us in our journey. Discover the Tata Technologies story. Because with us, you're not just witnessing change, you're part of it.